Okay, now that you know how to cast on, here you cast on stitches. Now you can knit. Okay, now to knit, you're going to take the hand, take the needle and put it in the hand that you do not write with. I'm right-handed, so I'm going to put this in my left hand, the needle with the cast on stitches. Okay, I'm going to slide those stitches up to right about there on the needle. I have the other needle in my right hand. Okay, and I'm going to take the needle. I'm going to put it about, put my hand here, about this distance away. Okay, and then I'm going to take the needle that's in my right hand. I'm going to slip it underneath that first stitch in the back. This is knitting. Okay, then I'm going to take that end that's connected to the ball of yarn. I'm going to hold the two needles like this. Okay, notice how I have my thumb underneath one needle. Okay, and then I'm going to take this yarn and I'm going to go right around the back of that needle. Then I'm going to take the yarn, slip it underneath that stitch, and slip it right off. Tighten it a little bit. Okay, again, I'm going to put the yarn through the back of that needle, hold on to the two needles, wrap the yarn around the back needle, take the needle, slip it under that stitch, cast it off onto the other needle. Again, put the needle through the back of that yarn. Hold on to the needle with your two fingers like this. Wrap the yarn around the back needle. Take the back needle, bring it to the front of that stitch, and cast it off to the next needle. Again, take the yarn through the back, wrap around the back. Okay, and again, you don't want to make these stitches too tight. You want to be able to slip those stitches underneath that needle. Okay, wrap it around the back. Here we go. Two more now. Slip it underneath to the back of the needle. Wrap the yarn around the back of the needle. Bring the needle forward underneath that stitch that you just knit and slip it off onto the other needle. And the very last one, same thing. Put the needle to the back, wrap the yarn around the back of the needle, slip the yarn around the front, and here we have it. Okay, that is knitting. You see that ridge there? It's getting a little bigger. Okay, that is knitting. Very good. If you need to repeat the video, I recommend that you do so. It is a little difficult when you're first beginning, but once you get it going, it's going to be very satisfying. Okay, very good.